To satisfy UN Sustainable Development Goals, specifically Goal 13, today's brand owners are taking urgent actions to combat climate change and its impacts. In response, yogurt manufacturers are seeking solutions to package their products in fully recyclable containers while also reducing their carbon emissions. In support of these initiatives, Centerlink delivers form-fill-seal solutions that can efficiently thermoform PET, polypropylene, and other fully recyclable plastics at speeds between 36 to 57,000 cups per hour. Through thermoforming, our customers use 20 to 30% less plastic and have greater control over the recycling of plastic scrap. Thermoforming also reduces carbon emissions because 1 reel of unformed plastic is equal to 20 pallets of already formed cups, resulting in fewer shipments to your facility. Through Centerlink's thermoforming solutions, yogurt processors can reduce their plastic use, run recyclable plastics like PET, and reduce their carbon emissions. Do you need help reducing the environmental impact of your yogurt production? Connect with one of our Centerlink team members today.